Hey, what's going on, everyone? Wanted to share a quick GPT demo for the Stadium Pitch Assistant to help you craft stadium pitches based off of The Ultimate Sales Machine by Chet Holmes. Now, this GPT does include specs from the transcripts and specific areas from the book. It's referencing in its knowledge base. And so, for example, I'm going to quickly upload a completed buyer's brief for my side hustle game that has already been done and created. So all the context for this product specifically is there. I'm going to ask it to, that I had the other thing ready to paste, analyze this and create a stadium pitch for the product. So what we're doing now, watching the Stadium Pitch Assistant GPT search the knowledge and identify the right frameworks and formula based on what we've provided it in terms of additional instruction and the OpenAI GPT-4 Turbo, whatever setting it's on right now, to come up with the stadium pitch. And so we'll see how it goes here in a second. TikTok chat. There we go. So based on the analysis, here it's going to go in a stadium pitch. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Side Hustle game that launches entrepreneurial journeys. Imagine a world where learning about a business and entrepreneurship is not confined to the drab classrooms of monotonous online courses. Entrepreneur is the world of Side Hustle game that revolutionizes the way. And so it's taking the perspective on this one of like actually saying who is inside of the stadium in this case. And so it's an outlining the top avatars these are all in the buyer's brief, why you can't miss it. So there you see it's resonating with all of the 10 avatars from that brief and drawing out a stadium pitch to where if we had a stadium full of these folks that we could belt out why our product is the best one for that stadium specifically. I don't know what's going on here. I'm going to reset it and do one more shot just to see if the second run pulls up anything different. Might be having some issues this morning. Nothing we can't work around. But ultimately, I found this a useful GPT for helping fleshing through how to articulate a big idea, especially after you've got a creative brief for a product or a campaign. How do you condense that now into something you're going to say, or in some way, not like word for word off of these scripts, but the framework and the format and the information that you're containing. Sometimes this gives really great results. So now we have another one addressing the audience. And so it's opening a statement, addressing the audience. And there you have it. So this is the Stadium Pitch Assistant GPT that you can use, and I would recommend using with something like a buyer's brief or a pretty dialed in content brief. And I don't know what's going on here at the end, but that way you'll have a lot of that information and facts and such all set right out the gate, and you give this a spin for yourself. So let me know how it goes for you, and I'm looking forward to seeing the stadium pitches that you create.